Are you looking to boost your credit score and achieve financial independence? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to skyrocket your credit score and attain the financial freedom you've always wanted. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Pay your bills on time. Late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score. Make sure to set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid missing any due dates. Step 2. Keep your credit utilization low. This means using only a small percentage of your available credit. Aim to keep it below 30% to show lenders that you are responsible with your borrowing. Step 3. Don't close old credit accounts. Even if you don't use them frequently, keeping old accounts open can help improve your credit history and demonstrate your ability to manage credit over time. Step 4. Monitor your credit report regularly. Check for any errors or fraudulent activity and report them immediately. Stay on top of your credit health and take the necessary steps to correct any mistakes. Step 5. Consider a secured credit card. If you're just starting to build your credit or have had previous credit issues, a secured credit card can be a great tool to help you establish or rebuild your credit. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to improving your credit score and achieving financial independence. Remember, building credit takes time, so be patient and stay committed to your financial goals. Thanks for watching this video on how to skyrocket your credit score and attain financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips and tricks. Now, go out there and take control of your credit.